How do I breathe and let you go?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the book that honestly stayed with me even after I finished reading it. The book is Chasing the Sun by Ink Steady, and this is not just a story, it's an experience. If you've ever felt lost, judged, or like you had to grow up too fast, this might feel uncomfortably familiar, but in the best way. Chasing the Sun follows the story of Celine, or Sol, a young girl who is trying to survive while carrying the emotional pain most people never see. Ang pamagat pa lang ay may malalim ng kahulugan. Ang paghahabol sa araw ay parang paghahanap ng saya, init, at pag-asa lalo na kung mabigat at madilim ang mundo sa paligid. One of the most powerful part of this book is how it handles mental health. Sol's struggles are quiet but overwhelming. The story shows how mental health issues don't always look obvious, and how easy it is for others to miss the signs. It reminds us that just because someone is smiling doesn't mean they're okay, and that asking for help is not a weakness. The book also talks about the teenage pregnancy in a very honest and respectful way. Hindi nito ginagawang romantiko o hinuhusgahan ng sitwasyon. Pinapakita nito ang takot, responsibilidad, at bigat na emosyon na kaakibat ng ganitong karanasan. Mahalaga ang suporta at pag-unawa lalo na para sa mga kabataang dumaraan dito. Another painful reality shown in this book is bullying. Sol experiences words and actions that leave deep emotional scars. It's a reminder that bullying doesn't always end where the moment does. The impact can stay with someone for years. This part of the story really makes you reflect on how powerful kindness can be and how damaging cruelty is. Despite all the pain, Chasing the Sun is also a story about healing. Ang healing ay hindi mabilis at lalong hindi perpekto. Mabagal, magulo, at minsan nakaka-frustrate ang proseso. Ngunit, ipinapakita ng kwento na ang paggaling ay tungkol sa pagpapatuloy kahit may sugat pa. And what really broke my heart and made me admire Sol even more were the sacrifices she made. These sacrifices weren't loud or dramatic, but they were deeply selfless, and they show how love sometimes means choosing the harder path even when it hurts. So, I recommend Chasing the Sun because it talks about real struggles that many teenagers face today. Mental health, bullying, responsibility, and healing. It makes you feel seen, understood, and less alone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!